Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into Honda's boldest cruiser, yet the 2024 Honda Fury Chopper. If you're a fan of chopper-style motorcycles that combine the classic long and low aesthetic with modern performance, then this bike is going to grab your attention. From its aggressive stance to its smooth ride, the Fury is a head-turner in every way. Let's get into what makes this chopper so unique. Design style. The 2024 Honda Fury doesn't hold back when it comes to style. It's all about that old-school chopper feel, with a stretched-out wheelbase of 71 inches, a raked-out front end, and a low, sleek seat. The elongated fuel tank and minimalist fenders highlight the chopper DNA, while modern finishes like deep metallic paint options and chrome detailing keep it looking fresh. It's not just about looks though. This design is functional, providing a balanced ride despite its stretched appearance. Engine performance. Under the hood, the Fury packs Honda's proven 1312cc V-twin engine, which delivers that deep, throaty rumble you expect from a chopper. This liquid-cooled engine offers a smooth and reliable performance with plenty of torque for city cruising or highway riding. The 5-speed transmission is crisp and responsive, making gear shifts seamless. And let's not forget, Honda's engineering ensures this bike is as reliable as it is fun to ride. Comfort handling. Now, when it comes to handling, the 2024 Fury is surprisingly nimble for a chopper-style bike. Its lightweight frame and low center of gravity make it easy to maneuver, even at low speeds. The forward foot controls and wide handlebars allow for a comfortable, laid-back riding position. Plus, with a seat height of just 26.9 inches, even shorter riders will feel at home on this bike. Honda's refined suspension setup ensures a smooth ride, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road. Features. Technology. The 2024 Fury might look like a classic chopper, but it comes with some modern touches. It's equipped with a digital ignition, fuel injection, and a shaft drive, meaning less maintenance and more reliability. The minimalistic instrument cluster gives you all the essential info without cluttering the bike's clean lines. If you're looking to customize, the Fury offers plenty of room for personalization, from seats to exhaust options. Conclusion. So, what's the final verdict on the 2024 Honda Fury? If you're looking for a bike that brings together chopper aesthetics, Honda reliability, and modern performance, the Fury should definitely be on your radar. It's the kind of motorcycle that stands out in a crowd, with the performance to back it up. Whether you're a weekend rider or someone who loves the chopper culture, this bike is worth a test ride. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2024 Honda Fury, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and let me know in the comments what you think of this new chopper. Until next time, ride safe. Thanks for joining BikeZone.